Big up Crosses TV.
Ready. God
Nonsense
Almighty.
TV. Tell this man she, but she love me.
Condom Naya. Naya come by to the back, come by to the toilet. Andre come by to the toilet bomber from the toilet bumper from a blood clot batty. Come China about the ear them pa my front. Come now my hole. Come eat out this. You guys come and eat out my bumbo. Who want go first? Who want put them tongue here first? Who want yam here first? Who want dine ya so? Who want eat ya so? Who want eat ya so? Naya Adre, which one want come near my hole? Who want get a serve first? Who want serving first with blood clot, knife and fork? And table blood, nice decent table. Who want go blood clot first? For nyam out ya so. Talk no man. Who want divert them hole? Who want lick me like when you lick ice cream pan blood clot cone? Lick it like a lollipop. Who first? Who come near my pussy? Who come and eat up my hole? Come eat up my hole. Come eat up my bumble so my dead Congo room have none left. Who near me out? Who come Congo room my hole I'm in a dead. Two two Dre and Naya come turn Congo room and I'm old and I'm not dead. Come now out yasso. Come now out blood clot yasso. Come feast. Come down. Move on a look so cocky nasty blood clot now batty man. We can't class me. Or class no matter. Go and class on a look thinking blood clot mama. What destruction and cross is like a blood clot. You can't get hype of him on a batty man. Joy go take off the blood clot yeast infection off of your who dead. Now you gonna move the yeast infection out of your blood clot throat. Two girl. Go and watch the ladies. Two perfect ladies. Two of them fuck one other people. Them come from Mandeville. Them a batty fucker. Move country batty man. Move country blood clot batty man. Move. Me know who know. With the blood clot, me know no fam. Everybody want to hype off a blood clot TikTok. How far now go dark shit? How far now go drunk crow? I ever call him a so Dutty Naya? You ever see me ever calling him yet? You ever see me ever calling him yet? None of my people never see me call your blood clot. Them coming and know you. Now you come suck up my hole. You want Jay come find one in a blood clot this. Come have a 5-star hotel in my blood clot hole. Come now my pussy. Come here, me shit them out of my batty wall. Me know who know. Me know blood clot who know who's blood clot now ya. You ever calling him Batty man? Batty man, you ever call your blood clot him suck cock, chalk and them lick up Batty. Stir fry with cheese. In a batty wall, you ever call your blood clot name. Me know you. Where me know you from? Eh? Go take out the blood clot. Go take out the blood clot yeast infection out of your throat hole. Can woman suck your uja, you suck her pussy. So she have infection, don't have infection on her throat. Go clean out the infection out on her throat, all the bad water. Go clear up your and come back. Go clear air. Jay, go clear air. Go take out the bad infection out of your throat. You can't argue with me. What can you tell me? You don't want me? What me don't really want you for do? What me want you for do? Sponge your suck up and leak. Walking batty man. Walkie-talkie. Boy, what sit down and chat for this? Me want blood clot you. Boy, what tell me say you eat king na blood clot when you see me that kill him. Me want bread clot friend from you. Boy, what tell me say you want 6 in a bed naked. Kind of argument with me. You can't argument with me. You can't argument with me. Cause me know you wanna allegedly batty man. You're a batty man. You's a batty boy. You's a batty boy. You get ginas. You's a batty boy and you get dryness. You is a batty man and you get blood clot dryness. Move your batty sucking dirty blood clot. I'm about to no one come tamper with. I'm about to no one come tamper with. I'm about to no one come tamper with. You would listen from my old Joy. You would listen from a battle and me have to run. Joy will tell me if a blood clot, video call him and bend over and push my finger on my battle and I show you how wide it is. And me, I want to come argue with on the internet. Dre will tell himself a video call him and push my finger on my bottle and show you how white it is. And me want to come out. You want me to go for the album? You want me to go for the album? You want me to go for the album, sir? You want me to go take the gun out of your blood clot throat? Go and take the infection out of your woman. You are your girl throat. Go take up the baby mommy skull with your woman blood clot. That's what the trees call them. Go take them up. Go take them up and bury them in dirty nasty residue. Move your blood clot. I want the nasty J we want to see me battle. Move your hey boy. Hey blood clot boy. I keep things so all long. Jay what tell me say Mr. Ben over and show him for me battle want come argue with me on this internet. Jay you couldn't see my battle a virgin. You couldn't see my battle a virgin. You couldn't see my battle a virgin. Dre remember say ya fuck Naya. I want to take terms and fuck with one another. That's only can try to form an alliance. For me, this bitch. This blood clot bitch. You can't form the alliance for me. Cause the me gonna know so una batty man. You is a blood clot set a batty man and a fuck woman for cover blood clot up. Dre come suck me. You couldn't see my batty wall. You have to touch Naya one. Fuck Naya. Ya Naya walk hands and hand down the blood clot corridor. I do what you do to yes I blood clot do. Remember when I batty police. Remember when I ice cream pan cone when you gonna sun out on the easy for blood clot melt. Move on a nasty blood clot. When I ice cream come out the melty. Move your nasty blood because you couldn't see my battle for suck it, fuck it, now lock it. Much less pluck it. Move your nasty blood clot. How do you color a blood clot, boy? Nasty blood clot, you want crag and cran in a blood clot. Where period, I will have a shine ring light on the kind of cran and strippy. How do you strip up, Dre? Dre, you strip in a blood clot, you're not just born. Dre, you stripper, you're not just blood clot, man. You say you want lamp pile and blood clot Camille. How do you after birth, Dre? How would the blood clot the after effect? After blood clot effect. Boy, I want lamp pile and blood clot personal. How would the blood clot do you? Boy, we fit for your perfect backers where you say. Boy, we fit for your perfect back shot. Are you throat fit for your perfect gag where you say. Dre and now on the throat, on the back if you don't fit your perfect back shot. And the throat fit your perfect gag. And you know that come about? You know really that come about me? You know that come about me? You know come about me? Come and use the tongue and drive out this car. Which car? With blood clot car, you want to come drive out here, so. Which one I want to use? Which one I want to come use the tongue and drive out this car? Which one I want to? Eh? Which one blood clot when I uno? Which one a blood clot when come near my blood clot hole? And all a black there. All a black there joiners. Near my hole. Lift up half a blood clot this. Moderator black the germs them. You come suck me. You don't tell no set pa me on the internet. And if I want to try it 40 days, you know. But look at Una come argue with a girl. Eh? Unu don't see one is a perfect batty man. Look pa Unu where come argue with a woman. Look pa Unu where come argue with a woman. I wanna feel like I say, wanna start, wanna go get alliance to join. I'm a woman, you guys are men. Female, Ishi and Miss. Madam, sir. Hello, ma'am. Hello, miss. Yes, miss. Yeah, we have to know what the ladies are saying. Uno body touch. Uno body touch. Look at you males are coming out and arguing with a lady. Eh? Two ladies for a lady. Eh? Steam fish and extra beach fish. Jay are the steam fish and I are the extra beach fish. How the steam fish and extra beach fish? When I come say, huh? Me can't take on the two of you. Steam fish and extra blood clot, beach blood clot fish. Long time undercover batty man. When you sleep with man in a bed, Dutty, you can't argue with me. When you tell me say you're 6 in a bed, me look for you different. I miss me long time I want to tell you, I say, me just wait till you trigger off here, cause you go there. You go there. Move your dirty blood clot over your fish. Steam fish and escobbeach fish, what you say? Steam fish, escobbeach fish with no bammy, no side order. What your blood clot say? Dirty blood clot means an octopus in a blood clot, see one in a fish. So how would you swim around? Swim around on our blood clot say. Dead carriage on our blood clots when you can argue with me, swim around. You nigga can argue. You bitches can argue with me. You bitches are swim around. Swim around on I say. Swim around, come now with the swim around them I say. Swim around on our blood clot say. When the blood clot catch you leak out like pipe cause you sick. Eh? You say your blood clot AIDS. You and I want a blood clot, blood transfusion. Move on the AIDS looking nasty blood clot. Cause when a batty man and AIDS come from there, sir. Go check on the blood. Go check on the blood clot blood. Move on the look of batty man AIDS and nasty blood cause you can't argue with me. Me. Jerry, you tell me the woman that she belly for your foreign. Oh, she shoot you down. She get a sniper rifle shot. Eh? I don't know nothing about Naya, but obviously Naya is a batty man. Kind of the joiners. Eh? Which someone can argue with me? Move on a stinking steel or two, steel up on blood clot at blood clot. Where? What are you guys portrayed? You guys are fools. You guys are blood clot fools. When you can't come on TikTok, come argue with a woman. Can you guys argue with a woman? Eh? When you can't argue with blood clot me. On a batty man. Ride off and suck off. You can't argue with me? Move, go check on up. Move your steam fish, escobbeach, nasty blood clot. Move your steam fish, escobbeach, nasty blood clot. Move on a steam fish, escobbeach, nasty blood clot. Fuck what? Where? Do you remember your boy where say Rosalie video call me and show me how wide the battle is? I say no. Yeah, remember good no Dre. Your boy wants my battle. Me have to think about you different. Remember good no? Remember good, you tell me say woman a find like ass fuck. You tell me say woman a find like ass blood clad fuck. Remember good no? Pussy walla whis. Eh? I mean you no come out? You want we like this shit down? You want we to close this shit? You want we to close this shit? Let we close. You want to close it? Alicia! You want to close this shit? Yeah, boy, I said, Rosalie, let me see a batty wall. I say, oh my god, that me so big and can't bend over. I show you. Oh my god, show you. Oh my god, do that. And you said, try and I say, alright, that's soon call you back. Remember good. Remember blood clot. Good. Remember blood clot would move your batty man underprivileged, nasty, so cocky, cha condom, cha pad, back split so, blood clot, fire and cook down fish, go check on the blood. You guys need a blood transfusion, uno blood bad, uno blood bad, uno blood bad, uno blood bad, uno blood bad. Move on a batty man blood clot. Perfect armor side. What the blood? How do you know? You want me bury no? I bury no, want me bury no. Move on a batty man blood clot. You know me bury no? Move on a batty man blood clot. I want batty man I accept in my can and a shibada. Move on a batty man blood clot. Eh? Batty fucking blood clot. You live at funky streets. You know what I argue with? Eh? Move on a batty man blood clot. Don't find no alliance for me. I don't want to try for blood clot talk about me, say what? I the trouble, you know. I the blood clot trouble, you know, me own a friend. I ever call my name over blood clot here. Dirty, nasty blood clot, stinking Dre. Who come for my life on a daily basis, come blood clot for Batman. When me send people go shoot for your nasty blood clot, cause I'm sorry for your junk crow. You can't class me. You know something about me? You know something about me? Remember you tell me say you're a man in a bed. Remember you tell me say you're a man in a blood clot bed. Remember good. Remember you tell me say you're a man in a bed. Remember good. Undercover Disney World. Undercover mouse in a Disney. We are say. Eh? And your blood clot. Now you're just a talking donkey. Me a Shrek. And we a movie star boy. Who no? Who no? You can class me? Me say I should have some steel pad for the show up on the live and just go so. Dre, Naya, eat this. On a proper meal. Proper meal. Vitamin C, bleak complex 1, 2, and 3. Vitamin C, bleak complex 1, 2, and 3. Minerals. Come on, guys, help me out, no man. Me bloody pad. Uno mineral, vitamin A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, me blood clot pad. Come calcium, protein. Me pad, we should have it for sure. Me gonna come nyam it. Uno come walk for me blood up. Uno go look for me blood up and nyam it. Uno nasty battle big like precipice. Move uno with uno manual battle. Uno see uno blood clot shit up. Move on a manual batty wall. No so for your pampas. Uno soon on a blood clot not batty line. Uno soon have no blood clot batty line. Move on a manual nasty blood clot. I mean uno come out. Me trouble uno. Uno can't do 40 days and 40 blood clot nights pan woman. I would some little waste boy. I would some little blood clot batty waste boy. You say una waste man. You say una waste. You say una blood clot waste. Leaky, freaky, meeky. I want the leaky, freaky, meeky. You gotta get with me? I want the leaky, freaky, meeky. Eh? The two of you guys are leaking. Go and check the spot that just. I want a freaky leaky meeky. When the battle wall want cock through. How the boy we can go see. The boy then we are where tampad come. The boy then we are where tampad come. The boy then we are where tampad. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's turn this shit up. The boy then we are tampad come now. The boy then we are see every 2 or 3 or 15 or 8 or every month. Let us go. Like what the fuck? The boy then we are see like every 2, every 3rd of the month, 4th, any number in the month. Come. The boy them want this Subaru. I want this Subaru. Come. Me go lend you some of that can like on run out. I phone the time now on run out. The boy them run out for this. The boy them run out for that. The boy them run out for that. Run out for that. Run out for confident. Run out. The boy them run out for a pad on the wear. I want the only boy Mr. come on media. I argue with a woman. I argue with a woman. I want drama alliance to uno. I feel like uno could have shut me up. Me a go to that. Me a bound a case. No one pad. I don't want cocks through which one. Which one I leak more? Which one I want to leak more? Dre or Naya? Which one on a leak more? Dre or blood clot Naya? Talk no man. You can argue with me. Me supposed to use that. But you want it for borrow. You want it for borrow. Me supposed to use that. You want it for borrow.